Alright, anyone else like me want to get your Xbox app onto your main desktop? You come down here, here's your Xbox app. You can't just drag it, doesn't let you. And right click it, there's nothing there to add it as a shortcut. So how do you do it? Well, it's a little bit more complicated than you realise. So you need to tap in on your screen the Windows and R button together. This will then, here we go, it'll bring up this little command box. And in here you will have to type exactly as I type it. Capital S H-E-L-L, shell. Then you need a colon. Yeah, the colon button is next to the L button, and you need to press Shift and that button to bring up the colon. And then you need to type in capital A, no spaces as well, apps, capital F-O-L-D-E-R. So that's shell colon apps folder. Press OK. This will bring up this screen here. And from here, we should be able to find, it'll be at the bottom, X, because it's in alphabetical, Xbox. Now from here, you can just grab it and create a link in your desktop. You can close that. You now have Xbox shortcut. Why Microsoft made it that difficult, I have no idea. But it works. If I double click this, here we go, launching Xbox. Don't need to go any further. There we are. That's been Glyn, Cheapskate Gamer, with another little quick hints and tips for Windows 11. Bye now.
Cheapskate Gaming, yeah, you know the name. They got the games that won't break the bank, so come on over and join the crew. They'll show you how to game and save money too. Cheapskate Gaming, yeah, you know the name. They got the games that won't break the bank, so come on over.